for Mikey. For fuck's sake. Okay. Right. Oh, for fuck's sake. So where's the goddamn fucking thing? No. 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 Oh, for fuck's sake. Turn off. Go away. Go away. Fine. No mouse action. Cool. Just for Mike. Okay. Open that little utilities folder. Hit the 2DLLs. Use your finger. Use that. Copy. Not cut. See the shortcut to the new FM20 location. And over here where it's empty, right click, paste. Of course we do. And yeah, of course we do too. Ooh, look, there they went. Close. Then open Outlook. And dun, 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 look, oh, whoo, oh, cool. Alright, just for sent items because you guys like to grab this and do this and look around and see what's going on. And there they are. Alright, oh look, power is restored because Mike was late. Then we just minimize that because it locks those in and the fuckers that do the auto update can't change it while it's on at least. Then we go, double click here, and it says, did you double click it, Jim? No. Try again. Oh, a little hourglass came up. Splash screen. And then patience for 30 fucking seconds. Not a cigarette break, 30 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, log in, log out, because people try to play fucking whack-a-mole on the weekends. And I just sit there and let them, don't respond. Because it's old. Meanwhile, coffee break. More problems on Monday mornings because of weekend whack-a-moles. See my mouse? Tell me if you can tell what I'm drawing. Anybody see what I'm drawing? Sing it, cats. Come on, guys. Pop, pop, bing, pa, who. Gosh, I wish I knew how to program. Should have been a sociologist. Human nature intrigues me. Whack-a-mole. Fucking 5 minutes already. 5 minutes and boom! Look, boom! There it is. Check that shit out. And just because it's an old habit, we hit the old registration. Do a little like, who are we? Oh, cool, we are we. Then we go back here And, oh, look, the screen fits now. Let me notice that. Preconditions, preconditions, preconditions. Oh, okay. That'd be... Da-da-da-da-da. That's all, folks.